Welcome to AlphaCars and Motorcycles. Today we're going to talk vehicle detailing. We have a very special vehicle here, a customer of ours. This is a 1972 Moskvich IZH 412, and it's in for some routine detailing, but unfortunately, as we're about to see with the interior is actually full of mold. So all these kind of white spots here, if I get the light on them, you can really see all that shine. So that's all over pretty much all surfaces in the interior. The vehicle's getting the exterior detailed as well. But I'm just going to talk about the special care and attention and really skill required to detail a vehicle like this properly, whereas it is a 1972 and it has a lot of, aged materials in it. Materials also manufactured and made in different ways than they are now. So you really have to keep an eye on the methods you're using, how aggressive you're being, and using the proper chemicals as well. So this vehicle, of course, we emptied it. We can see the nice big trunk and the fuel filler. Normally, you don't see fuel filler pipes in trunks of vehicles anymore, but in this one, because of the design, you fill it right through the back behind the license plate. Super cool there. Of course, this is kind of supposed to tuck behind this gasket, but that's a different concern that we're gonna address there. And even look at the built-in rear window shade. Really an awesome car, beautiful car of its era. So let's talk a little bit about this kind of moldy interior. So first, this started out looking like this, something you really don't want to sit in, touch with your skin, get on your clothes. And it seems like, unfortunately, where the vehicle was stored, it was kind of really humid or had a lot of moisture content in the air or in the vehicle, which has caused this. So now we can see the difference right here. So we use some just blue masking tape to make some hard lines, and look at how satisfying that is. So we go from full of mold to just lightly wiping it clean for the initial getting off the loose mold and stuff that isn't stuck there too much. And then this is fully cleaned. We used a soft bristle brush, hand brush, not with a machine. You can get these sorts of brushes for drills and machines like that to be more aggressive, but just a little soft bristle hand brush there. And then we used a very light, cleaning chemical made for vehicle upholstery that's really not aggressive at all. Like I said, it's a very gentle cleaning agent. And now with the proper methods, we can see we didn't weaken or degrade the aged material at all. It just really looks almost new now in that patch there. So imagine what this whole interior will look like when it looks like that. The technician's done a couple other areas on the car, but overall he's just kind of started there, and we wanted him to do that little patch so we could show the before and after. They're actually, he's on lunch right now, so I've sneaked in here to make this video. He did clean this door card, he did start here, and really look how nice that pops compared to, this kind of moldy surface. So I just wanted to show this really awesome, very rare car to find in the States, in the United States. And of course, we're just bringing it really to the standard that we want to see it at for a rare vehicle like this. And even look at this bucket. This is what the detailer has been using to clean his cleaning tools, cleaning materials. And that is what's come off the interior already. And like I said, he hasn't done all the front yet. He's done, it looks like, the door cards and partially the rear seat. So it looks like right here, he has done on the rear seat. The rest of it, you can see the different color there, and the mold is untouched. So really a small amount of this vehicle has been touched, and look at what has already come off of it. So just wanted to display this and just say, if you have also a special interest, rare vehicle, whether it be vintage or not, feel free to send us an email, give us a call, 978-263-9000, or service@alphacars.com. And of course, we can give you a free estimate on bringing your, well-loved machine really to the standards that we all feel it should be at and have it present wonderfully. And of course, be better off than it was, not be worse off than it was, because even if you're having your vehicle cleaned or improved, so to speak, if it's in the wrong hands, it's actually going to do more harm than good, especially on special interest vehicles like this. So with all that being said, I hope you enjoyed this interesting, quick little video. My name is Ian. I've been reporting from our Boxborough showroom, where we have many beautiful hand-picked automobiles as well as motorcycles. And then this back kind of corner we will use as a controlled area for some detailing and the like. So that's what's happening here, I guess a little behind the scenes for you there. But don't forget to leave a like on this video so then it's recommended to others, and subscribe so that you don't miss out on the latest motoring content.